Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video we will talk about internships, which are remote internships as the semester is going to off and summers are coming, so students are looking for the summer internship. If you are also a student and looking for internship, then stay tuned till the end of this video and apply for multiple internships. Let's talk about our first internship for today. It's from the company Buzzo Media Services. Role is UI UX intern. Requirements are knowledge of wireframe tools, up-to-date knowledge of design softwares, team spirit, strong communication skills, good time management skills. It's a 6 months full-time work from home internship. You will receive a fixed stipend of 4,000 per month. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second internship is from the company Twelearn. Role is data science intern. It's for 3 months. It is an unpaid internship. Timing is flexible. Skill set required for this role are Python, data analysis, data visualization, statistics and Tableau. If you are eligible for this, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Third internship is from the company tryedge.in. Role is human resources intern. Job role is engaging with campuses and their placement cells, sharing clients' requirement with campuses and driving applications on live roles. Posted on TryEdge platform. Stipend is 5,000, negotiable for back-to-work professionals and those with prior experience. Duration is 3 months. Post-internship, we may hire you as a full-time employee depending on your performance. If you are eligible, then click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth internship is from the company Jobsfinity. Role is human resources intern. Eligibility criteria is ready for work from home, full-time role, 5 days working, 3 months internship and post-conversion as full-time with salary package, unpaid internship. Graduation is desirable. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Last internship for today is from the company Inside AIML. Role is digital marketing intern. Location is remote, which is work from home. Requirements for this role are pursuing a degree in marketing communications or a related field, strong written and verbal communication skills, familiarity with social media platforms, basic knowledge of email marketing, ability to multitask, excellent analytical skills, creative thinking and problem solving skills. Preferred qualifications are experience with latest tools such as Canva, ChatGPT, knowledge of digital marketing, familiarity with marketing automation tools such as HubSpot or Zoho. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for all the available internship. Comment the internship which you are looking for and your education qualifications. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.